The Great Western Railway War Memorial is a First World War memorial by Charles Sargent Jagger and Thomas S. Tate. It stands on Platform 1 at London Paddington Station, commemorating the 2,500 employees of the Great Western Railway who were killed in the conflict. One-third of the GWR's workforce of almost 80,000 left to fight in the First World War, the company guaranteeing their jobs, and the GWR gave over its workshops for munitions manufacturing as well as devoting its network to transporting soldiers and military equipment. The company considered several schemes for a war memorial before approaching Jagger to design a statue. Some officials continued to push for an alternate design, to the point that Jagger threatened to resign. Jagger was working on several other war memorial commissions at the same time as the GWRs, including his most famous, the Royal Artillery Memorial. The memorial consists of a bronze statue of a soldier, dressed in heavy winter clothing, reading a letter from home. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.